Let me show you how to create, me. This will take you around 2 minutes using free tools. Go to Midjourney and use this prompt. A classy English lady dressed in a business suit, 8K 3D animated style, dark gray background. Now go to 11 Labs, go to Speech Synthesis. Under Settings, select Rachel, type in whatever you want. Like this script, for example. Click on Generate and download audio. Go to DID, click on Create Video. Add my avatar image created in Step 1. Upload the audio we created in Step 2. Click on Generate Video, and we are done. To know more about ChatGPT and these kind of AI tools, join our 7-day national level online FDP on ChatGPT and AI tools for educators aligned with OBE. If you are an educator, don't miss out on this opportunity. You can learn live from experts, where they are revealing 100+ use cases of ChatGPT and various AI tools for educators. It's a 7-day FDP where you will be having 2-hour live sessions. Register now and submit your details to get the link to join the first day's free online session.